Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura impressa F9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the water pump, this one you see right here, as well as the membrane of the water pump itself. We secured it with a newer one, put it on that side and made sure there were no leaks or anything while the machine was working. Then we went to the other side of the machine and serviced the brew unit of this Jura. We took it apart, replaced the O-rings of it, as well as clean part of the grinder. We disassemble it and clean it, and yeah, it's ready to brew. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out. We're gonna select the smaller espresso one, and we're selecting the max grind. We have now coffee beans inside the machine, and we're going to brew a shot. Now the customer has programmed this volume of cup to actually be over 4 ounces, so we're going to have to manually stop it when it reaches 2. Otherwise we would overfill our cup and we're just going to overfill the cup. Now I'm going to stop it right here, and that is around 1.5 ounces of volume. That's what Jura recommends, and as you can see, nice shot of espresso coming out of this machine. Good color, great crema, looking amazing. Now we're gonna be testing this hot water one. We were cleaning it and soaking on milk cleaner. Nice and clean. Testing the hot water, and as you can see, there's steam coming out of the machine. And now let's test the steamer as well. Okay, now that the steamer is ready, you can test it out. I'm gonna put a bit of water because we just recently have water. And as the thermoblock gets up to temperature and purges itself, we're gonna see more steam coming out through the one. And as you can see now, excellent pressure coming out through the one. Great steam, working perfectly. So there you have it, your impressa F9 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.